Hi guys, this is a project I've been working on for a while. I found this tiny rocking chair at a yard sale and I wanted to restore it. So this is a video of what I did and the outcome. So bear with me and check it out. As you can see, this chair is kind of old, so the arms have kind of rotted off, and so has the back just a little bit. So I do have plans to do something with this. So what I'm hoping to do is use some Bondo on this, but for right now I don't have a mold, so I have to create a mold, and by doing that I can use duct tape to kind of get that roundness around the arms and then use hot glue to create a mold. So what I have here is WD-40. You can also use vegetable oil just to make it a little slippery so that when you use the hot glue, it can easily take the duct tape off once you're done. Okay, once I let that dry, then I start to peel it off. It was a little bit of work, but I got it. And those are the molds. That one is for the arms, and that one is for the back. Next, I will be using this Bondo wood filler. Now this is just showing how I put a little bit of Bondo inside of the mold first and then pressed it into the arm. And so you will see how I'm just pressing it down into the wood just so it can take into those little fibers. So this is a preview of how to mix the wood Bondo. The blue stuff there, you can actually add more to make it dry faster, but you can also add stain. And this is something I did not know and I did not do. So you'll see how it ends up looking at the end. Once the Bondo hardened a little bit, I started to take the mold off. I didn't want the mold to stick to the arm, so I took it off a little early. This is how it all looked after it hardened. So I will have to sand this down to make it look a little bit better. I think I was sanding this chair for 4 days straight. But as you can see, the arms there, it's green and it's nowhere near how the wood looks. So I got a wood color paint, and I'm just trying to go over that color just a little bit, just kind of blend it in. It doesn't really work very well, so you'll see the outcome. I decided to get a little bit more creative, and I used my wood burner, made a little design. So I didn't really like how that paint looked on the arms, so I just sanded it all over again and stained it and painted the arms a different color than the stain. So the stain would not take to the Bondo, so that's why I had to paint the arms a different color. But then I got to thinking, hey, how about green? So I actually painted the arms and the legs green, and I like that so much better. This is one of my first major wood projects. I really like how this turned out. I'm very proud of it. So give me a like, tell me what you think. I definitely learned a lot. So until next time, hope you guys have a great day. Bye.